Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
So good morning, guys. This is my third day in Jamaica. Sorry, I'm trying to fix. So guys, I look crazy, but I'm about to sweep the veranda. So where?
Look at the back.
Guys, so I'm eating breakfast. I'm eating dumpling, ackee, and saltfish. And then mom's gonna get me a piece of pear. And thank you to everyone that has been messaging me on Snapchat. I see all your messages. Oh, somebody just messaged me. Message me.
So, then.
I will be right back, guys. Like you can put the clothes in the laundry and not wash it by hand.
Up there.
Oh,
there.
How much is it?
Like 4,500.
Oh, it's expensive. Yeah, but jeans, it must be tough. The jeans to wash.
We don't wash it like this. We just use the brush and just.
Oh, okay.
And then just rub it and.
Oh wow. Life.
You make this?
What, this? No, I bought it.
Nice.
You want it when I leave?
Why?
You can sleep in it so your hair is like soft. You want it?
No, man, keep it.
Why?
Because you need it.
No, I have one up there.
Well,
You don't wrap your hair when you sleep?
I
Why?
just sleep. I plait my hair, just plait it like this.
Oh, but your hair is long though. Yeah, you should. I'll leave it for you so you can sleep in it. Your hair will be softer when you wake up in the morning.
That's it? Oh, because it not really rub out.
Yeah.
You're not your nails? No?
No, they cut my nails.
Nice.
Yeah.
Tell mom.
Magic cracked me up.
You think you know what I was saying? You know that's not for I feel it. So what? I think yeah, feel tired.
Your hair's natural?
Yes.
Oh, it's curly, Madge.
Me always cut off right here.
Why?
Because it always come back.
No,
The sideburn is to reach down here. Me always
down here?
down here. Right
Oh,
here.
wow.
Yeah, my Francine one reach her down here.
She cuts it?
She shave her whole body. She grow here.
The whole of her body?
Our father grow here over whole her body like monkey.
Oh, I'm hairy too.
So she shave. You know you shave?
I get waxed.
Wow, it's really nice.
Like, it's like glue, but it's like hard, and they put it on, they harden, and they rip it. Because it rips it out of the root.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Because I'm hairy, so if I shave, 2 days later, I'm hairy again.
So it just walks.
It's just wax. It lasts like a month.
Okay.
So it's easier for me.
Eat now.
Do the shaving.
Eat. When you put on some weight.
I'm not going to gain weight. I don't gain weight at all.
Why?
I don't know.
Because you don't eat. You must eat. Look on my belly. It's okay. My tummy get fat.
You put on weight though.
But me
You're
drink a lot
happy.
of water.
Pinky, buy one drinks.
You're happy.
Thanks very much. Me can't take this down.
Oh, you mean if I can't take it, me take it. Me, then me not take it?
But look here, let me show you something. Look here.
Oh,
The belly. Look here.
you put on weight.
Why?
You're happy.
You're contented.
Because me believe in a God. Anything me just let.
Me tell you put on weight.
Tell what? We just left.
You don't want to
Mom, you know I don't like ackee and sausage.
You want to
Yeah,
know?
feed her with it. Just you do it.
You don't eat much.
But put it up and feed she.
I used to like it, now I don't like it.
You get tired of it.
The ackee tastes bitter to me.
Yeah, roast breadfruit.
The food fresh enough, Pinky, but me who have.
You know, roast breadfruit and fried and give her. You love that?
What?
Roast breadfruit. And just let me see some breadfruit. I never remember said them my day, you know.
You don't see Guinea anywhere?
He met gone last month.
Really? I'm too late.
Yeah, he left without your last month.
I'll look and see. Maybe a market lady has
But
it.
you can get June plum.
Really?
Yeah, you need June plum?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get June plum.
Market?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yesterday I saw a lot of ripe one. You love the ripe one?
Mm-hmm.
I'll try reach out and buy some for you. Yeah?
I'll give you the money. How much is
I'll
it?
buy it.
No, I'll buy it.
What make with me, I give you no, you know one.
You have a lot of responsibilities, Madge.
Where can I buy from? Where come from? I can buy.
Yeah, every time I offer her something.
Wait, the little girl.
A lot going on.
Where the little girl there?
She got a class. She got class for Saturday.
Oh.
You know what get tight for me too? The clothes that my mother give me.
Put on weight.
Tight. But me still
Me tell
can't
you,
drink enough water.
why can I put on weight? Why can I flush out your system?
What am I keep it on with?
Mm-hmm.
Me not think so.
Yeah, it does.
The doctor said I must drink a lot of water.
Yeah, it puts on a lot of weight.
And I must eat fruits
Mm-hmm.
Vegetable.
and vegetable. And I most likely eat fish.
Mm-hmm.
You should have there know, Mr. Girl, through this time.
So yellow tail. Over
You
here.
hear about them?
They say water
more
store up.
yellow tailings. And I'm thinking, go ahead. I'm thinking, get rid of them $500 and $600 pound. Yeah?
That's it?
When I'm thinking I buy 3 pounds. 3 pounds.
That's cheap.
And the pinky she eat the what are the body?
I hate me love.
I had she me get
I hate me love.
Mom,
No give me
that's
fish
us.
tail.
pinky eat the what are the tail.
What
I
cloth?
mean to them sweet.
Yeah.
But I never
You saw it there, I mean,
your
yeah.
mom.
Mm.
Else
You would have saved it.
but deep freeze there.
Mm-hmm.
Like some apple down.
Yeah, about them. So yellow tail they run.
You see when this time pass through America there?
You pitch them out.
Pitch them out. That's much pretty fish in it over there.
We have good fish.
So where them there?
Just the snapper, that's it.
When we snapper like we get some snapper.
So where the yellow tail them go?
Mm-hmm.
Them nice as a girl. And when they come then live, they just a flap so. When the man they get
Fish up and they make money.
Yeah.
yeah, then they have food, man.
Talk to me, shut up.
Oh, that's what you say. What kid?
Shut up, kid boy, you can't talk to me.
What do you want to do? Go show me one. Fast back and go show me now. Busy body. Go show me right there. I'm going to stack it 2 times. See that. Come on, get gas in some time. What I'm showing you now.
What's my name today?
I know it up because
I'm not going to man. I wait till tomorrow.
It's me ass.
I had this call. You don't have to tell me that. But. I'm ready. No, sir. Tell me. Nothing much. What do
What happened? What's going on?
you, man? What do you want? What's that, man? What you doing?
Bad man. It's a jazzer. I laugh at him much.
You see the
I laugh at him much.
I go draw. Oh, you right.
Oh my god. Poor Finefoot. Alright guys, so we're walking into Lucy. And yeah, it's so hot guys. It's super hot. So I have on American Eagle bodysuit, Michael Kors belt, and American Eagle jeans and Reeboks. Because it's freaking hot. And oh, and an American Eagle hat, and yeah, it's super hot guys. But we're walking with my uncle, and we're just going into town. So I'll see you guys later. It's so hot.
If I'm memories. I'm saying I'm going to put it on memories. I'm going to say that after everything. I say, no man, fuck me up with everything alright. Family texting and I'm seeing that I go through. I'm sorry. Yeah. You see that test now? No, stop. Hey, look at this one.
What you make fun with this song?
What?
You have to make it fun for me head.
Bill sample is oh yeah. Let me have
It's fucking
shot me.
Let's see how can I get in bed here. Let's see what them here then.
So I'll be all over everyone. Yeah, I'm making you. God.
I don't get it. They put in that.
I am in. Come on, I'm like what?
You understand? You know something over here?
Oh, you know something is going
Maybe come
on.
and use it on the phone. You know that? You know over here?
I'm going to tell you.
You know the room with the coffee. You know over here?
What are you doing?
Let me know over here.
So I know them all long time since they can't get them to us. They want to remember.
A different thing, girl.
I don't know different.
Just wait for your correct change. Wait for your correct change, Sindra.
Say no, do they want? What?
You can't put in closure?
Me not know sitting there. Do. Start. I'm going to have to so I'm going to take off my clothes. Right now.
So Sindra, we're making a buy the glue.
You can't sew the closure on the wig. You can't sew it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I don't want no glue. I'd rather it's sewn.
Someone will come.
We don't want to.
When you want to come, so? Tuesday? Wait for me.
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
Yeah, sure. When you want to come, say what you're going to
Watch out.
Sindra, when did you come?
I will tell you what I'm
Do you color hair? You don't color?
Oh, you want to put color to us?
Yeah.
No one to do.
My girl is a color it too. Alicia gave him to color it. Alicia can't come color it. And then you come make it. I have to make one more. You have to make it with first one.
Oh, yeah, she will see. I'm going to size. I shall see the size. But I want to wear it. Yeah, but you said it's so nasty. You put us in the picture. I like it.
I'll be there next weekend for sure. That we get last weekend, we'll be there for
Are you making a wig right now? You're making a wig?
Short one. Short cut down one. Your mother said, you know,
Guys, that was Sinja, mom's friend that does hair. Huh? No, I'm saying it's Sinja.
Send my lunch, come give you there now. If you don't mind it, let me say that for that. You're running. Okay, you want Sky juice? You can't take strong. Why is it so hot? Bad. How much did you come out? Yeah. Yeah, so when do I tell you one? Picking up one observer around the sofa me. If you know what this sharp boy do. Kuba, chop off the man Hanover. You chop off one man? Chop off. Let me tell you. Chop off one little piece. Pinky don't know.
Guys, we're at Matches.
She have sugar. She have sugar? Oh God. Just have one way. It's in a pharmacy too, support. It's in a pharmacy. How many chop it, man?
Does my face look... Listen, I'm getting darker, so my face, my foundation is not anymore.
They're going to open up the market. The policeman on the gun up for it. You walk with people there no more. All one did mad out. You want to run the train. You're saying one way. You want to mad out. You want to chop a girl. They want to run it out. I idiot. They want to run it out. Man chapati, man say what chapati one girl man.
That's how Lucy looks like. Junior, you got it? Why?
How is that a kid
What? Tell the people bye, Junior. What is... Guys, we're gonna go buy cocoa bread and cheese at Tasty's. Dang, it's dusty. Guys, it's so dusty.
Junior, come cross me. Hey, him if you follow you like so, come you can't cross so.
There's a car coming!
Can't cross so.
What do you mean? So you go cross. Oh, you go cross.
Guys, we're in the supermarket. In the supermarket shopping.
You want Malta?
Yeah, I haven't drank a Malta in forever.
Which one you want? You want the vitamin? Which one?
The normal one.
What's the normal one? 3. Can I sister?
You know something?
Oh wow.
Need to bring in person to you are your mother. I'm gonna call him, tell him somebody to call him and me can't get him. No. From me come, I'm gonna call him and I get him.
But this is unsafe for earring. Not so comfy.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for dirty.
Why? Oh. Oh.
What I want?
It's hot. God, I'm mess and sweating. They're right here. I don't think they have them. No, forget it. Because I don't remember. I only liked one out of all the ones that Leisha brought. Forget it. What is this?
Milk. What is it?
In a bag? Guys, they have milk in a bag instead of this can now. What is Junior?
See my car? The expensive car. Look funny. You can't buy this. It's dear.
No, sir.
This car named Goods Car.
Goods Car?
Yeah.
By Mercedes?
No.
Mercedes doesn't make these?
No, supermarket.
Why don't you know
Where? No, sir.
Yo, who want it?
Guys, we just got home. What?
1729 36.
We just got back home, guys. And I'm tired. It's hot. Guys, I'm about to eat cocoa bread and jiddies. Cocoa bread is like
Yeah, bread are weird. What don't they can do it?
just the same thing, but
They will have emotes.
I've been using your conditioner. Why they give me a straw? It's folding bread, so we call it cocoa bread. Looks like this. So good. I'm waiting. Guys, we're about to go get our toes painted. I painted my toes before I came to Jamaica because I didn't have time to wax. I didn't have time to go to the nail salon. It was just a mess. Well, no, I did go to the nail salon, but they didn't have the white polish that I wanted, so I just painted my toes myself, and now they're like a mess since I wore the sneakers. So we're gonna go get our toes done. I'm walking with my mom and my two cousins. So guys, we just came back. I look a crazy mess. We just came back from the town. We went to go get our toes done, but the lady wasn't there. So now we're back home. I had dinner, but I ate it all. Mom, you don't want my fish? I'll show you guys what I had, even though it's done. Had the vegetables, and then I had fish. It's gonna waste.
Yeah, I'm in the fridge.
No, I'm gonna eat it. It was good, guys. I don't even know if I can eat it.
Look at like the vegetable. Give me a minute.
You want the head?
Where are you doing?
Mom, eat the head.
You can't eat this up.
Why?
You cut off.
Mom, just eat it.
No.
It's fish. So tomorrow's church, guys. Long day, guys. I look crazy, but long day. Long day, guys. Long day. So I'm about to start getting ready for bed because I'm tired.
Go before us.